The secret to a perfect Mussolini sauce is simpler than you think, and once you see how, you will never struggle again. Let me show you how. Mousseline sauce is one of the French mother sauce every serious cook should master. I have my own way of making mousseline sauce, and it works every time. You may do it differently, but this is the method I trust. I add all my ingredients to the egg yolks at once. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Going in now. 2 tablespoons of cold water. This loosens the egg yolks and gives you something to work with. A little cayenne pepper. Adjust this to your taste. And a pinch of salt. I'll be coming back to seasoning at the end. Fresh lemon juice brings brightness and balance to the sauce. The key here is the pan. I use a heavy steel pan directly on the heat. No bain-marie needed. A pan like this gives you control. The heat builds slowly, and that gives you time to whisk, to watch, and to feel the sauce coming all together. Nothing is happening yet, and that's correct. The heat is rising gradually. There is no need to rush it. Before the butter goes in, the sauce needs to reach this point. You can see that the yolk are pale, thicker, and everything coming together. If you add butter before this, the sauce will split. This consistency is what you are looking for. Take the time to get it right. Now the butter. I hold it with my left hand. You will find your own way depending on which hand is stronger. I am going in gradually. Watch the butter absorbing into the sauce. No splitting, no breaking. That is what you want. The emotion accepting the fat slowly. Once you reach this point, the sauce is stable. It won't split anymore. You can add more butter with confidence if you like. This here is Hollandaise. Now we'll transform it into mousseline sauce by folding in whipped cream gradually. I am adding a little salt to balance the acidity. I find it better to under-season in the beginning. You can always adjust at the end salt and pepper, but remember you can take it back. The whipped cream goes in gently. I start with 1 spoon. I am folding slowly, not stirring, folding. So the cream incorporates without breaking the emulsion. Take your time here. The sauce will tell you if you are moving too fast. Now the second spoon. Same motion, slow and deliberate. And this is your mousseline sauce, built on a Hollandaise base, lightened with whipped cream. You can see the consistency. It coats the back of the spoon and holds its shape, but it moves. It's alive. That is how this sauce should look like. Please like, share, and subscribe. And also turn on the notification bell to see more videos of this type coming out of our channel, because this also help the algorithm to show this video to more people on YouTube. If you like this one, check out the next similar video on the screen. See you in my next video.